Okay, everyone sit by their pumpkin.
Go sit by your pumpkin.
I'm going to put my pumpkin right here.
Okay.
Grayson, your pumpkin. It's right here. You can't paint it.
No, Grayson, yours is right there. So, what are we going to do?
I'm like playing cars. Cause I.
You're not going to paint yet?
Yeah, I'm going to pay after.
Everyone painting their pumpkins?
Yeah.
Everyone getting in the Halloween spirit?
Yep. Where should I put this one at? I'm done.
You can set it on your plate. Boo-boo, are you having fun?
Great.
Color your pumpkin. Woo, good job. You gonna finger paint, Boo-boo? Just don't eat it. What are you gonna do, Gia?
I'm just doing polka dots.
Yeah, that'll be cute. The polka dot matches your headband, huh?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. I can't see what you're doing to your pumpkin. Aw, how cute.
I need to make the map.
You need to make a mouth?
Yay.
It's okay. That's just a truck. That's just a truck. Just a truck.
There. There,
Man,
now.
this pumpkin's heavy.
Is it heavy? We got our pumpkins at Walmart for $4.88. Not a bad deal. Hey, Gia,
Yeah?
what are you going to be for Halloween this year?
I'm going to be Red Riding Hood.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Jenna, what are you going to be?
Sleeping Beauty.
Sleeping Beauty. What's Sleeping Beauty's name?
Aurora.
Aurora. Boo-boo, what are you going to be for Halloween? Boo-boo, you're going to dress up for Halloween, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thanks for agreeing. Doing good.
I wonder what kind of song is this?
Look.
This song is from Ghostbusters.
Look.
Oh, really?
Look.
Yep. Who you going to call? Ghostbusters. Hold on, let me... Aw, how cute.
Now I'm going to make some polka dots. I don't have that much left.
It's okay. You can keep using the same brushes.
What?
Boo-boo's having fun. Boo-boo, you can...
Okay, now we can draw on the floor and
This
dry
is
it
so
off.
fun. Man, I think the stem's going to break because this pumpkin's so heavy.
Doing a good job. And don't forget, there's glitter right there.
I know, I'm going to do the glitter afterwards. Grayson, do you want to use some glitter?
Yeah.
Glitter.
I don't think he knows how to use it.
I think I'll show him.
That'd be nice. Pumpkin's looking good, Sissy.
Grayson, I'll show you how to use the glitter.
Uh-uh.
Alright.
Okay. Doesn't want help. turning 2 November 2nd, and he knows it all. Huh? Grayson, are you Mr. Know-It-All?
My bad.
No? No? It's okay.
I'm like spilling glitter everywhere. Probably is best if I use the tiny bit.
Very pretty.
And glittery.
Well, that's why we're outside.
Yes.
Gia.
Yeah.
Gia, how old are you?
I'm 10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What grade are you in?
5th.
5th grade? Are you excited?
Yeah.
You're almost going to be in 6th grade.
I'm already done.
Jenna, what grade are you in?
First,
You're not in 1st, silly.
kindergarten.
There you go.
I'm sort of just playing with the glitter.
It's okay.
How
You,
can we open it?
you want Gia to show you how to open it?
Yeah, I made a glitter mess.
It's okay. That's why we're outside.
This is easy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to turn up my
Mama.
pumpkin upside down.
Let me go
And
look.
Get all the excess glitter.
Let's take a
Yeah.
let's take a look at your pumpkin.
Mommy.
Nice. Did you do that?
I don't know if we're supposed to paint on ourselves, but I did.
Okay. Did you do that, Grayson? Doing such a good job. You like painting, Grayson? No?
Nope.
Is it too messy?
It is there.
Yeah, looks good.
Alright,
All done?
some glitter. 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 Yes, you may. Yeah, I'm making a glitter mess.
It's okay. Doing a nice job.
Thank you. Actually, all of the... And
Oh my goodness, is that a silly face?
No.
No, is it a happy face?
Yeah.
Or is it a sad
Grayson.
face?
You
It's
want
a
to use
happy
glitter?
face.
Yeah, show me a happy face.
Shake it.
Show me a sad face.
Grayson.
Show me a mad face. Show me.
Grayson, look.
I'm excited. Like, I'm going to Disneyland for my birthday.
Like I'm surprised.
Yep. Is that your surprise face?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm making a giant mess with the glitter.
Doing a good job, Boo-Boo. Keeping the paint on the pumpkin.
Grayson. Grayson, you want to use glitter?
At least I have my foot closed.
Here,
Yeah.
use glitter. Just shake it on your pumpkin. Inside it. Shake it. Turn it upside down and shake it.
It's okay.
Ew.
Ew, you don't like glitter? You don't like glitter?
At least I can wash my hands. Look at my pumpkin.
Oh, gonna put glitter in your sister's paint?
Well,
It's okay. It'll be sparkly.
yes, I'm using a bunch. It looks like snow has fallen.
Oh no.
Yeah, I think I sort of made a little much too glitter.
Good job. Thanks, Jenna.
I helped Grayson. All done.
All done?
I'm actually going to make some glitter. Red.
Is that how you put glitter on? Aww.
This is the dessert.
How do you look like when you cry? Silly. Oh, boo-boo.
Glitter in this.
Glitter, so that's... Hey, who's sticking out the glitter?
Not me.
Yeah? You like that?
It looks like chalk. Hey, I think I made chalk.